guys, today we're going to make simple and delicious bread kulchas. So let's begin with the ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of dried yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, lukewarm water required, half a cup of parsley or dried methi. To our flour, we're adding our yeast, sugar, salt. Give it a quick mix. Add in your oil and combine. Then gradually pour in your water until you get a dough. Knead your dough for 5 minutes. Then rest your dough for 1 hour. Now we rested it for 1 hour. As you can see, it has doubled in size. Sprinkle some flour and take it out of your bowl. Just give it a quick minute knead. And place onto a board and roll and split into 2 balls. Now sprinkle some flour so it does not stick to the board, and then roll it out with a rolling pin. Once you got it oval size shape, then place your parsley or methi, flatten it down so it sticks on. Now we're going to show you 2 methods, either on the pan or how to bake in the oven. So if you're going to do it in the oven, line a tray with tin foil. Grease your tray with a little bit of oil. Place your kulcha onto the tray. Make sure you preheated your oven 20 minutes before putting them in, and we're going to put them in for 5 to 6 minutes at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. Once they've reached a light brown colour, you're going to turn them around and let the other side become a light brown colour as well. If you prefer to do it in a pan, heat your pan up, then turn to a low flame and place your bread kulchas onto the pan. On a low flame, leave that for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn them over so the other side becomes a light brown colour. Bread kulchas that we made in the oven, baked in the oven, and these are the ones that we did in the pan. Both ways work and both ways taste the same. So here we have our delicious, simple, easy bread kulchas. It smells very nice because it's freshly baked. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.